create the texture, material and texture for the hedge, we take an empty material slot and we're going to overwrite the diffuse colour with a digital image that we made in Photoshop of the hedge. We click on the little box next to the diffuse colour, choose bitmap, choose our target file, and we can now see that appearing on the material slot. Because this is going to go onto a flat surface, you might like to preview the material on a square or a rectangular surface. So you can change the display icon from being a sphere to being a box or a cylinder. And so you may perhaps visualize it a little bit better. Now, to remove the white colour from the material, what we need to do and to establish that transparency, we need to go back to the top of the material editor. So choose the Go to Parent icon and scroll down to the Maps panel. We've applied the digital image to the diffuse colour to give us the visual representation, but now we're going to copy that to the opacity channel. So we drag that down to opacity and we choose to make an instance of that so that they're shared. And under the properties for opacity, if we click on that, it takes us to the bitmap properties and we activate the alpha channel and we untick the pre-multiplied alpha option. Always activate show texture map in viewport or show the material in viewport. Drag that onto the plane and there is my hedge. You'll notice that it comes in dark black background instead of white. That's just to show that it is actually going to be transparent at the end. The display can only show so much information at once. When this is rendered, you'll see that the background of the hedge is completely gone. No black shape there at all, just the hedge that we drew in Photoshop. And all of that transparency is being preserved from the Photoshop file.